Hi and welcome back to Run the Robsons. This is just a quick update because we haven't managed to do much in terms of videos recently because we've been looking for a new caravan. We started looking for our next caravan, which we thought would be number 2, and we started looking for this in October of 2018. It's now July of 2019 and I think we finally found what we're looking for. So in that time we had a Bailey Turin, which we had to send back, and we'll go through in another video why they had to be sent back. We then got the Adria Tamar, and we'll put some links up above about what didn't go so well with that. So we had that as well. And then now we've got this. We're currently in a Swift 586 2015 model. The Challenger Sport is the standard model. And I think it's absolutely fantastic. It's a beautiful caravan. And I think it's what we paid for it. It was excellent value. Just while I'm on this, I'd like to say that our first caravan that we ever had was very similar to this. Our first caravan was a Luna 546, and this video here is partly being put together to support the people at Luna and to see how appreciative we were, because without Luna as our first caravan, that 546, which is 2011, I don't think we would have ever got the bug. And I also think that if we hadn't had such amazing experiences in our first Luna, then we might have actually given up even getting this caravan here. So we'll give you a little quick tour around the caravan, not everywhere, but we'll give you a quick little view of what it's set up to be like now. It is set up now at the moment with a few bits because we've been taking everything out of our garage, which now we can get to the back of. We've been taking things out, so there'll be a few bits and pieces like lying around. So sorry it's a little bit untidy. We won't go in the bathroom yet because the toilet's not working. So in a later video we'll show you how to fix the pump in your toilet. So here we are at the front of the caravan, and one of the reasons we got it was because my wife really liked the nice shiny chrome on the handles, which I thought was aesthetically pleasing. The shade of wood she quite liked, and she liked the fact it still had a skylight in it. We did look at some older caravans, and we'll talk about why we changed caravan in a different video, but we really liked the fact that it still had quite a lot of natural light in here. Again, a couple of chrome lockers on here, tables out there with the cap off the camera, and yeah, that's the front of the caravan. So front 3 windows still, some attractive curtain. Here is the kitchen of the caravan. Again, it's a really quick overview. Microwave, couple of cupboards there. Thetford, Dometic fridge freezer, good size. What I quite like about the 2015 model and onwards is that they put in here a little tray for your cutlery. So with the Luna that we had originally, it only had that centre tray over there, so it meant it was a little bit tighter for space. Again, one of the reasons we got the Adria was we quite liked the style of it, but the actual oven was a bit small, so we've got a full oven there, sink, nice aesthetically pleasing taps, and also we have an electric hob. Yes, it's a bit dirty. I've been cleaning the caravan the past couple of days, but there's still some things need doing. Full door. It also has some nails that the Adria didn't have, which it also has a fly screen, which is quite useful when we go away. One of the things we quite liked again was the Truma system. That was quite useful. Again, lockers, something that the Luna didn't have, a couple extra back lockers here. Wider seating area. One of the reasons that we got rid of the Luna in the first place was a bit narrow at times. It's a bit of a mess back here, so you'll have to forgive. And a couple of bunks. So we've currently got the Teppanyaki on there, and the top still got bits and pieces from the bunk that you can put up. So that's about it. And there is the toilet, which is behind here, but we're not sure that quite yet. So that was just a quick overview of the Swift 2015 586 that we've bought. If you have any questions, please put them below. If you don't already, give us a like and a thumbs up, and hopefully the videos from now on be more positive, although we do need to fix the pump in the toilet, and we'll show you how we're going to go about doing that. We've got a holiday booked in 2 weeks' time to a new caravan park we've never been to, which is great. And we've also got at the back end of the summer holidays, as I'm a teacher, I don't have my time currently, we have 2 weeks away in France. So hopefully we can get a few more visits in, and with the 586. So again, the last thing I would say is if you don't subscribe already, please subscribe, and hopefully that's been a useful update to us buying our new Swift. Thank you, goodbye for now.